ABC Kinderteach presents The Carrot Seed, written by Ruth Krauss, illustrated by Crockett Johnson. A little boy planted a carrot seed, and that's what a carrot seed looks like. Those little things right there, very, very small. His mother said, "I'm afraid it won't come up." So she thinks that the carrot won't grow, maybe because he only planted one. His father said, "I'm afraid it won't come up." They aren't very helpful. They should be telling him, maybe it will come up, maybe, but they're saying no. I wonder why. And his big brother said, "It won't come up." Everybody's telling him it won't come up. What do you think he's going to do? Do you think he's just going to pull the stick out of the ground and say, I'm not going to worry about it? Let's see. Every day the little boy pulled up the weeds around the seed and sprinkled the ground with water. So he pulled up the weeds and then he watered it. I wonder if it's going to grow. He seems like he really is trying to take care of it. But nothing came up. This does not sound good. And nothing came up. He's still waiting though. Everyone kept saying it wouldn't come up. But he still pulled up the weeds around it every day and sprinkled the ground with water. Wow, he is really sticking with it. He really wants a carrot to come up. And then one day, what happened? One day what? Oh, wait a minute. It looks like something might be trying to push itself out of the ground. Could it be the carrot plant? A carrot came up. Wow, that is a big carrot. Big carrot. Oh, everybody was wrong except for him. Just as the little boy had known it would, so he knew that if he took care of it, it would grow. And this part of the carrot is underground, so he had to dig it up.